And we're back. And this time I have 3 more juices from Good Life Vapor. The first one I want to talk about is Nana's Nuts. Now, I know what you're thinking. Nanas aren't supposed to have nuts. But we're talking about banana nut, like a banana nut bread or loaf or muffin, whatever the hell. That's what I have in here. This is a handmade wooden box mod by E-Cig Workshop, South Carolina. And I'll be reviewing this and its little buddy here sometime in the very near future. It's 3.7 volts. This, I believe, is like, 1.7 ohm. So this is Nana's Nuts, and it's 6 milligrams. Need to put a little bit more in there. Nana's nuts. Nana's got nuts. Poor Nana, she's got nuts. Now I probably flooded it. Yeah. I really hold on one moment. Trying to turn down the volume. If that thing goes on, I'm gonna be pissed. Oh, it's my daddy. Sorry, Dad. I like this. I wouldn't say it's a candy banana, but I also wouldn't say that it's exactly a fresh banana either. Frank, son of a shh. Oh, Lord. Okay, it's kind of like in between because I really dislike that fake candy banana kind of flavoring. So this is like, it's real enough that I can enjoy it. And the nut flavor in here is really, really good. This is just a fantastic banana nut bread kind of flavor. I mean, it is just, it's got a moderate throat hit. It's got that bakery flavor, but not too sweet, not overwhelming. It's like the banana and the nut is what you taste more than the actual like cake or bread or what have you. I'm not sure what kind of nut. Maybe it's walnuts. I'm not sure. All I can tell you is I'm getting nutty, and I like it. I am kind of nutty. That's friggin' delicious. Nana's Nuts. Must try. Must try. Next one. This one, you know what? Let me go just for a moment because I want to bring up the description on the website and I don't have it handy at the moment. So, 1 minute. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, this next juice is Beach Bonfire. Okay, an odd flavor combination. I don't care for it, but because it's weird, it might be something that other people would really be into. So let me read to you the description. This is a sweet strawberry coconut mix with a subtle hint of cinnamon-infused rum. It reminds me of a sweet strawberry daiquiri while sitting on the beach with a fire. Steve Sweetland gets a standing ovation on this juice. The man is pure brilliance. Please check out sweet-vapes.com. Now, I'm friends with Steve Sweetland, and he is a wonderful guy. He just rocks. So yeah, definitely go to Sweet Vapes, sweet-vapes.com. Okay, so the flavor that I get from this. Honestly, I mostly just get the cinnamon. I'm not really getting much of strawberry or coconut. It's it's a nice cinnamon though. It's like it's more of a hot cinnamon than a bakery cinnamon, but it's not like every time. This phone does nothing but ring. all day, every day. Brand new phone number, and I've got like, ugh, I don't know these people, so I ignore them. Okay, so anyway, I was saying it's not like fiery hot like red hots or anything like that. Let me smell it. I want to see if I get the strawberry. Okay, I do mildly get strawberry when I smell it, not the coconut though. So I smell it and I get strawberry and cinnamon. But when I vape it, I excuse me, basically just get the cinnamon. So not a win for me, but it might be for you. Not this next one. So weird. It's so freaking weird. It's so weird that I had to order more. This one is white Zenberry. Now, on the site, and I'm paraphrasing, it's a Zen like white chocolate, berries, and herb. Herbal. Okay, so when I got the sample of this, I didn't know what to think about herbal. And I took a vape and I said, oh my God, what is that? And I wrote to Jeremy and I said, Jeremy, is this Mary Jane that I'm vaping here? I don't like it. That's too weird. And he said, no, silly, it's not Mary Jane. He said, it's sage. And I said, well, that's freaking weird too. I don't like it. But then I set it aside for a few days. You know, kept on shaking it, opening the bottle, squeezing in new air. And I came back to it and it was like, holy shit, this is really unusual and delicious. Let's see. This, excuse me, I just filled and it might be a little leaky because usually the vapor is whoosh out there. You get the first day or two, you're going to vape this and be like, what the frig is that flavor? And that, of course, is the sage. Sage is used in things like making sausage and stuff like, stuffing, stuff like that. So who the hell would think to put it in a friggin' vape? Jeremy did. So the first couple of days, that's primarily what I tasted. I didn't taste berries or white chocolate or anything. 3, 4 days later, I try it, and now I'm getting this beautiful, subtle berry with a nice creamy undertone, which is the white chocolate. And the sage, I don't know how to explain it. It mixes with these other flavors, and it just becomes something special and so different, and something that I keep on going back to. Hmm. I vaped through the 10 mils that he had sent me at first within a couple of days. And I'm like, dude, I need more of this stuff. So I had to order a 30 ml bottle. Now, it's not, I've had it for a while now and I haven't vaped that much of it because I've had so many review juices here to do. I'm so backed up and I do apologize to all the vendors. But, I've been through a life crisis. So, anyway, Good Life Vapor. Oh, wait. Throat hit. Let's see. Mm. Sage is not just for stuffing any longer. Very mild throat hit. 30 mLs at Good Life Vapor is $15. Jeremy Dollar, find him on Facebook. He is an awesome, awesome guy. I told him that once I was divorced that he had to marry me. He hasn't spoken to me since I got divorced. Jeremy. Okay, so give Good Life Vapor a try, and until next time, you can vape your face off.